Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making pizza sliders. This will be great to make for game day. So the ingredients that we're going to need today are a 12-pack of Hawaiian rolls. I'm using the savory butter rolls, but you can use the sweet ones. We also are going to need pizza sauce. I have deli sliced pepperoni, deli sliced mozzarella cheese, butter, garlic, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and grated parmesan cheese. Okay guys, so you want 1/4 cup of grated parmesan cheese. You can use the fresh cheese also. As I said, I have 3 ounces of the deli sliced pepperoni, or you can use any pepperoni of your choice. I also have 4 ounces of the sliced deli mozzarella cheese, or you can use the cheese of your choice. Now we're going to need 2 tablespoons of butter, which we're going to melt, and 1 large garlic clove minced, and I'm using a cup of our pizza sauce, and we're going to be putting Italian seasoning and garlic powder into our butter. Okay, the first thing you want to do is set your oven to 375 degrees. Next, we're going to cut our Hawaiian rolls in half. Now we're going to go ahead and take our pizza sauce, and we're just going to spread it evenly on the bottom. Okay guys, you don't want to add too much sauce because you don't want your rolls to be soggy. So now I'm going to add my mozzarella cheese, and this will take about 5 slices. Now for the next layer, we're going to be adding our pepperonis. And this, I'm just going to put a lot on to make it kind of thick. Once you have your pepperoni on, we're going to go ahead and with our mozzarella cheese again. Now we're going to take our pizza sauce once again, and to the top of the rolls, we're just going to go ahead and apply a layer of the sauce on top. Remember not to add too much, you don't want it to become soggy. Once you put the top on, now place them onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Okay guys, next you melt your 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to add in our garlic cloves, some garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and we're just going to go ahead and give that a good mix. Okay guys, next we're going to take our butter mixture, and we're just going to coat it on top of our rolls. It smells amazing. Okay guys, once you're done with that, we're going to go ahead in with our Parmesan cheese and just sprinkle it on top. Now you want to get a piece of aluminum foil and cover them. Okay guys, once you have them covered, we're going to put them into our oven, 375 degrees for 15 minutes. Okay guys, after 15 minutes, you want to take them out your oven and you want to take the aluminum foil off of the top. Now we're going to place them back into our oven for another 15 minutes, uncovered. Okay guys, our pizza sliders are now done. As you can see, they brown nicely and you can hear they're nice and crispy. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut into one so I can show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, as you can see, it's nice and cheesy. Okay guys, so here we have it, our pizza sliders. Don't forget, this will be great to make on game day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.